When you are in need of eye-catching quality custom cleaning product labels, Lightning Labels has got you covered. Lightning Labels works with thousands of businesses to provide professional, full-color custom cleaning product labels for just about any product in any shape or size. Whether you need custom labels for detergents, sprays, waxes, polish, or cleaning products of any kind, we can help. Our state-of-the-art custom label printing process ensures graphics are crisp and photo quality. From bright primary colors to earthy tones, vibrant colors on our custom cleaning product labels will reflect the professionalism of your brand and grab customers' attention. We have dies in thousands of sizes and various shapes, offer many options for custom cleaning product label materials and laminates, minimum quantities as low as 50 labels, and lightning fast turnaround times. We offer graphic design services, free ground shipping for orders placed online, and every account receives a dedicated account manager for personalized customer service, all with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So when you're in need of durable yet versatile custom cleaning product labels, look no further than Lightning Labels. Lightning Labels has been servicing the needs of our customers for over 20 years. We are extremely proud of our A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and guarantee your custom label buying experience with us will be a positive one.